Don't edit your 1080p video in a 4K timeline. You get why? One of the reasons your videos get blurry when you edit them or after you have posted them on social media is because of wrong sequence settings. I guess you have not heard this before. This is the only place that I don't gatekeep. Wrong sequence settings can ruin your video. Even though you shot it sharp on camera, it is going to be blurred after you have edited them. This is what happens when you put the video into the timeline. You would have to scale the video to fit the frame. This is because the frame size you have created is bigger than the frame size of the video. So you would have to scale it to fit the frame. And when you scale the video, the pixels are stretched, thereby reducing the quality of the video. How do you solve it? Create the sequence using the footage. Open Adobe Premiere Pro. Drag and drop the footage onto the timeline to create the sequence. When you do this, the frame size of the sequence you have created will be equal to the frame size of the video, so you don't have to worry about scaling the video, thereby preventing quality loss. Every brand deserves a premium and a high quality video. I hope this helps.